Are you tired of fur-covered seats and pet-related messes ruining your car's interior? Welcome to the ultimate guide on the best seat covers for pets. In this exciting video, we'll unveil the top seat covers that not only protect your vehicle, but also keep your pets comfortable and stylish. Imagine traveling worry-free, knowing your seats are shielded from scratches, stains, and shedding. We'll dive deep into durable fabrics, easy installation, and must-have features that every pet owner needs. Don't settle for less. Elevate your pet travel experience and transform your car into a cozy haven for your furry friends. Hit that play button and discover the best seat covers that will change your road trips forever. Number 7. Pet 4-in-1 Dog Car Seat Cover is the ultimate solution for pet owners who want to travel without worry. This 100% waterproof and scratch-proof cover features a unique T-shaped side flap design, ensuring full protection for your car's back seat and doors. The durable materials and solid Velcro seams are tear-resistant, making it long-lasting even for the most energetic dogs. Measuring 56-inch WX58L, it fits most vehicles effortlessly. The upgraded mesh window promotes air circulation, helping your furry friend feel secure and comfortable while reducing anxiety during travel. Plus, the built-in storage pockets are perfect for keeping your pet's food and toys organized. With non-slip accessories and a safety belt, you can ensure your pet remains safe and the cover stays in place, protecting your vehicle from scratches and dirt. Choose Pet for the best seat covers for pets and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with top-notch customer service and a commitment to quality. Travel smart and keep your car clean with this fantastic dog hammock. Number 6. Active Pets Dog Car Seat Cover. Your go-to solution for a clean and comfortable ride with your furry friends. Designed with a universal fit in mind, this waterproof vehicle protector is perfect for any car or SUV. With its innovative 4-layer technology, it creates an impenetrable barrier against mud, water, and fur, ensuring your seats stay in pristine condition. Installation is a breeze, taking just 60 seconds, while the non-slip bottom and secure mechanisms keep it firmly in place for optimal safety. Cleaning is effortless. Simply vacuum or wipe down, and it's good as new. The built-in headrest buckles and seat anchors offer extra security, allowing your pet to travel safely alongside you, whether you're heading on a road trip or just driving to the park. The Active Pets Dog Car Seat Cover guarantees a protective and cozy experience for your pet. It's truly the best seat cover for pets, combining style, durability, and functionality into one fantastic product. Enjoy the ride with peace of mind. Number 5. Pedicon Waterproof Scratch-Proof Pet Bench Seat Cover. With its universal fit of 52-inch WX48L. This seat cover is designed to snugly fit various vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and trucks. Made from upgraded leather material with a 100% waterproof coating, it effectively prevents leaks from spills or accidents, ensuring your seats remain pristine. The innovative hot pressing technology eliminates needle holes, enhancing waterproof performance. This multi-functional cover features 4 Velcro openings that allow easy access for child car seats, making it perfect for families with both pets and kids. The anti-slip mesh backing keeps the cover securely in place, and the quick-release buckles make installation a breeze. Plus, cleaning is hassle-free. Just wipe it down or rinse it off. With the Pedicon cover, your furry friends can ride comfortably, while your vehicle's interior stays scratch-free and fur-free. Want to travel with your pets? This is the ultimate solution. Number 4. Mangro delivers exceptional protection and comfort with its dog car seat cover for back seat, making it a top contender among the best seat covers for pets. Designed for universal fit, this black seat protector features waterproof, scratch-proof, and padded polyester materials, ensuring your car's rear stays clean and damage-free. The smart side flaps prevent claw marks on doors while still letting your furry friend enjoy the window view. With its 4-in-1 multi-functionality, it transforms from a dog hammock to a bench seat cover, cargo liner, or picnic mat, ideal for both travel and outdoor fun. The non-slip bottom and high-strength buckles keep the cover securely in place. Even during active rides, cleanup is effortless. Just use a vacuum or damp cloth for spot cleaning, with hand wash recommended for deep cleaning. Measuring 54-inch WX55L. It fits most family cars and SUVs, making it a perfect solution for pet owners who want durability, versatility, and style all in one. Number 3. Luso Gear Dog Car Seat Cover for Back Seat is the ultimate solution for pet owners who love to travel with their furry friends. This 100% waterproof seat cover offers unparalleled protection against mud, scratches, and shedding, ensuring your vehicle remains pristine. Designed with a universal fit, it seamlessly adapts to any car, truck, or SUV, making it a versatile addition to your automotive accessories. The robust construction of 600D Oxford fabric, paired with non-slip backing and security anchors, guarantees a secure fit, so your dog can ride comfortably without sliding around. Featuring easy access to seat belts and child seat latch points, it doubles as an ideal protector for kids too. Cleanup is a breeze with machine-washable fabric, ensuring your vehicle stays fresh after every adventure. For anyone seeking the best seat covers for pets, the Luso Gear Dog Car Seat Cover is a must-have for all road trips, hikes, and family outings. Elevate your driving experience with this essential cover that combines durability, style, and ease of use. Number 2. Tiall Backseat Extender for Dogs is the ultimate solution for pet owners looking to ensure their furry friends travel in comfort and safety. With its upgraded design featuring a sturdy hard bottom, this dog seat cover provides an expansive 58 by 28 inches of activity space, perfect for larger breeds while reducing anxiety on long road trips. It can support pets weighing over 400 pounds, making it exceptionally durable and reliable. The premium 600D density waterproof Oxford cloth material keeps your backseat clean while protecting against scratches and slobber. This versatile backseat extender is compatible with numerous SUVs and trucks, ensuring a perfect fit. Dense mesh windows with non-slip zippers allow your dog to see you, easing their travel anxiety. Plus, built-in storage pockets make it convenient to store toys and snacks. Installation is a breeze, and it folds for easy storage when not in use. With a 12-month warranty and responsive after-sale service, the Tiall Backseat Extender for Dogs is truly the best seat cover for pets, making each journey enjoyable and stress-free for both you and your furry companion. Number 1. Leak Spring Dog Car Seat Cover is here to solve that problem. This innovative backseat cover not only features a sturdy bottom board for maximum stability, but also includes a safety seat belt to keep your pet secure. Its unique design transforms your backseat into a cozy car bed, providing a spacious resting area that alleviates your dog's travel anxiety. The mesh viewing window offers your pet an unobstructed view of the outside world, ensuring a happy mood on the road. Crafted from waterproof, tear-resistant polyester, this cover protects your car seats and doors from dirt and spills, making it easier to maintain a clean vehicle. With adjustable buckle straps, the leak spring cover fits a variety of vehicles, including trucks, SUVs, and family cars. Installation is a breeze. Simply unfold, buckle up, and you're ready to hit the road. When it comes to the best seat covers for pets, the Leak Spring Dog Car Seat Cover stands out for its quality, comfort, and convenience. In conclusion, choosing the best seat covers for pets can enhance your car's cleanliness and comfort while ensuring your furry friends travel in style. With the options we've explored, you'll find the perfect fit for your needs and preferences. Remember, a good seat cover not only protects your vehicle, but also adds to the overall experience for both you and your pet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with fellow pet lovers.